So if you want to find the determinant of a 3 by 3, the shortcut says to take this column and that column, the first and second column, and rewrite them. 2, 1, 5, 4, -2, 0. Then you start kind of the same way that we did with 2 by 2s. You start by multiplying that. We're going to do the same thing here. We're going to take this 2 and we're going to multiply the numbers in that diagonal. So you have to be very neat when you write this out so that you don't get your numbers mixed up. Those 3 are in one diagonal. Those 3 are in the second diagonal. Those 3 are in the third diagonal. You should end up with 3 numbers here that you don't use and 3 numbers there that you don't use. So we're going to multiply this way, and I like to put the sum or the products down here. So this would be a -4 times 3. That would be a -12. Multiply those 3 numbers together. That's a -20. Multiply those numbers together, you get 0. Then you add those 3 numbers together, and you get -32. Then you start with the 5. We do the same thing. Just like here, we took 1 times -8. We're going to take 5 and circle that diagonal, and then the second diagonal, and the third diagonal. Again, you're going to end up with 3 numbers there that you don't use, and 3 numbers there that you don't use. So I would multiply this together and put the product up here. So -10 times 6 is -60. This is 0, and this would be 12. Add those together, and that would be, what, 48. -48, thank you. Yes. So now, just like here on the 2 by 2, we took this total minus that total. These numbers down here came from that diagonal that started in the top left-hand corner. So we're going to do -32 minus -48. -32 minus a -48. So if you write it out exactly the way I did, it's bottom minus top. So -32 plus 48 would be 16. So that's how you find the determinant of a 3 by 3.